this is April at Georgia Girl Plans. I have another plan with me for you this week, and I am going to be planning the week of March 11th through the 17th, which is St. Patrick's Day. So I am using this St. Patrick's Day kit from Nightingale Paper Co. And I just love this artwork. As soon as I saw her release this, I knew I wanted to use it for St. Patrick's Day. I'm also using this artwork for my March monthly. So these are the full boxes, and I did get this kit on glossy. So I've got the full boxes, date covers, some scripts, weekend banners, some functional items, all of the boxes, and habit trackers, some headers, washi strips, and the bottom washi, which I love this bottom washi. And then I also got the deco page. And I'm going to be pulling in gold foil with this kit. So I've got some gold foil full box overlays from Bodacious Prints and Scribble Prints Co. And then some header overlays from Bodacious Prints. And I'm going to pull in these gold foil headers from Wild Summer Designs. And then this color and this color glitter headers from Piper Paper Company. So I am going to get started with the bottom washi and the date covers. I am going to use some gold foil date dots, also from Wild Summer Designs. So I'm going to get started on that and be right back. Alright, so I've got my bottom washi down and my date covers. I did use 2 flags from the kit. So I'm going to get started on my sidebar. And I think what I want to do, I want to use the Happy St. Patrick's Day box on Sunday, because that's actually St. Patrick's Day. So what I'm going to do is there's these 2 boxes that are just patterns, and I think I want to take this lucky sticker, and it's got 4-leaf clovers in it, and maybe put it over one of these boxes just to make into a quote box. Oh, and there's also this Kiss Me I'm Irish, but I think I like this because none of the boxes have this either. I think that'll look pretty. I'm just going to put that right in the middle. Yeah. And then use that as my quote box. Yeah, I like that. Super cute. So the rest of this deco, I just plan on sprinkling throughout, maybe putting some along the top. We will see. So going down my sidebar, I'm going to get the This Week header. And then the habit trackers, these will be for my vitamins and for my no spend. Put those right there. And then I think I'll put a strip of washi to separate that. Oh, this is a fun pattern. I really like this glitter though. Maybe I'll do that. Oh, this is pretty thick. Maybe this one. Or maybe I'll put this as a background for the dinner's header. Let me confirm there's a dinner's header. Yes, there is. So maybe I'll do that. And then dinners. Right there, yeah, I think that'll be perfect. And then instead of using the weekly tracker that came in the kit, it's this one here, that's Monday through Sunday. I'm going to use this checklist because it's got the shamrocks, and I think it's so cute. Except it's only 6. I didn't think that through. Well, I guess I am going to use the weekly tracker because these are for my dinner, so I do need 7. I just love that shamrock box. I think it's so cute, and she did shamrocks on the checklist as well. Just have to save those to use another time. Okay, so next I'm going to do a quarter box right here, and that is to mark what I'm currently reading. And then I'm going to take this plaid box and fill in the space right down here. And then I'll just trim off the excess here at the bottom. And that will be my sidebar. I am going to pull out my custom scripts for my habit trackers, which I have Vitamins from Nightingale Paper Co. and then No Spend from Piper Paper Company. So those will go in my habit trackers. All right, so now I am going to go through and put down my glitter headers. So I think what I'm gonna do is use these glitter headers over the full boxes, and then use these two on the other days. So maybe this week I'm going to decide where I'm going to put my full boxes first before I put down my glitter headers so that I can put these over the full boxes. Right, so I've got my headers down, and I went ahead and put my header overlays from Bodacious Prints down. So I did use headers from Piper Paper Company, and I'm going to put down my full boxes and then some full box overlays. So like I said, I'm going to put my full boxes down where the solid gold glitter headers are. So starting on Sunday, I'm going to use the St. Patrick's Day box. Okay, and then Saturday I'm going to use this planner box. And let's see, Friday, let's do the cupcake. Ooh, or maybe the shenanigans. Kind of looks like a bar. All right, and then, I think I want her in the center. I really like this pattern down here because this is at the bottom. All right, I am going to attempt to make myself a full box and then use the deco in it. Let's see how this turns out. Fingers crossed it is not a disaster. Alright, so that definitely could have been worse. Now I just have to decide what deco I want to use over that. Hey, yay, yay. Should not be so difficult, but you know, make it work. So, luckily we have all of this beautiful deco. I think I'll use the words here, which I did have to look this up. I may very well have some Irish heritage in me, but I definitely am not well versed in Irish heritage. So this means like Ireland forever is kind of the gist of it that I got. So note to self. How about we do that? And a 4-leaf clover. And maybe the rain boots. Ooh, or probably I would say a Guinness, some type of beer. Another 4-leaf clover. Maybe not. Is that good? Maybe that's good, guys. Did I salvage it? What do y'all think? All right, well, regardless, it is done. That is my base. So I am going to grab my custom scripts to put them down in my habit tracker. So my no spend is from Piper Paper Company. There we go. And then my vitamins is from Nightingale Paper Co. There we go. So my base is done. I do want to put down some full box overlays to bring in some more gold. So let's see. I think that looks good. 4 overlays. Here is a Viv Wiggle, and I will be back with the first half of the week. Okay, so I have the first half of the week, and starting on Monday, I was not planning on it, but I decided that I was just going to take the day off. So I just woke up and I was like, you know what? I'm still exhausted from the time change, and work is just not going to happen today. So I am going to use, right here, this Lazy Day script, and then one of these hearts. Do I want to put it just in the white space? Maybe I'll put it in a box. I think I'll put it in the scallop box. So nice just to have a relaxing morning. I mean, Mondays are the worst anyway, so any reason to avoid them. I'll put this down with my tweezers. And I'm putting it a little bit off to the side because I'm going to use this heart right here. Perfect. All right. So that is for deciding to take the day off. And then I caught up on some planning, and I saved this piece of deco. I did go through and put deco across the top, and I saved this little planner deco. I use that right there from some planning. Then unfortunately, I did have to do some work. So I pulled out these little Winstons working on the laptop at his desk. So let's see. Let me use the small one. Well, I'm using this work script. Is that going to be too big next to him? I may need the medium size. Yeah. So let's lay this down first. Had to catch up on some emails that were pressing, but that's okay. So let's do the medium Winston for working. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. And then I took my dogs on a walk. So I pulled these Rose-Colored Days foil dog icons. I think I'm going to put this, let's see, in a quarter box. Yeah, let's do this light green right here. We're going on a walk. And I'll just use this dog bowl. Alright, so that is for our walk. And then I had to go to the grocery store, so I'm going to use the fork and spoon icon that's right here in the kit for meal planning and then grocery shopping. Perfect. All right. And then let's see. I got home and decided to do some cleaning. So I pulled this, this was a $1 Wednesday from Bodacious Prints, and it's called Oh Chores. So I think I'm going to use the foiled, I did laundry, I vacuumed, and I did cleaning. So I could really use any of these. Maybe I'll use the vacuum. That definitely took the most time. And then I'm just going to write tidy up there. All right. Move it down just a little bit. There we go. All right. And then that night I cooked dinner, and my husband and I watched some Dexter together. So I'm going to use a full box. Let's use this patterned one. Maybe I'll use, if I use a quarter box, let's see. Yeah, I'll do that. Just have some white space there at the bottom. And then I'm just going to use this house icon. There we go. Perfect. And I'll save that half box. So moving on to Tuesday. First thing I want to mark is it was my mom's birthday. So I use a quarter box. And I pulled these birthday munchkins from Once More with Love. So let's see. I think I'm going to do this one that says happy birthday with a little hat. Perfect. So that's for my mom's birthday. And then I got a ton of Happy Mail this morning because the mailman, I don't know what happened, but he just never showed up the day before. So he came the morning and the afternoon with mail. So I'm going to use this little package icon on the kit. Oh, that's green and green. Maybe I'll save that. What do I want to use instead? Maybe I'll put the package on one of these flags or on this teardrop, and it'll kind of break up the colors a little bit. Let's do that. I'll do the package right on top there. All right, that's for Happy Mail. Perfect. Got quite a bit. Then I did some editing and uploading for my plan with me. So I've got these play buttons from Nicole Alexia Designs. I use that for edit and upload. Right there. Perfect. And then we went on a walk. My husband was off this evening, so took our pups on a walk, and I think, yeah, I'll do that. And then I pulled these scripts from Nightingale Paper Co., part of her custom scripts. I'm going to cover up the foil some. I regret getting so many words on these because they're so big. So what I've done the past few times is cut them. I love her custom scripts, but I've definitely learned that we only need a few words. So let me see if I can do some sticker surgery. I'll be right back. There we go. So I just took out the word "the" and just did walk the dogs and kind of layered them a little bit right there. So that is perfect. And then I did some reading. So I pulled out these books from Nightingale Paper Co. Let me use this green book here. And then I've got another custom script also from Nightingale Paper Co. It says read. There we go. Perfect. And after that, we watched some more Dexter. We've been flying through it. So I'm going to use one of these bigger TVs here because I don't have a lot else to mark after that. I may color that in green. We shall see. And then I cooked. My husband had to go back into work and work late, so he didn't get to eat until later. But I'm going to use a full box. And I've got these cooking icons from Once More with Love. So, or cooking munchkins. So I'm going to put that right there for cooking and then dinner. All right. So then moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday, I had an early morning call. So I was going to pull quarter box. It was an 8 a.m. call, which that is very early. I am still just getting coffee in my system. Not quite ready to talk to people that early, but had an early morning call and then worked all morning. I was really productive that morning, so that was good. My husband was off, so I picked us up some lunch. So I've got these foiled circle icons from Scribble Prints Co. So I'm going to use this for picking us up lunch right here. Perfect. And then, this is very exciting, our new camera arrived. So very soon I will be filming my videos with our new camera. So I've got this camera deco from Piper Paper Company to mark that that package arrived. It's really nice, and I'm intimidated, but I'm gonna learn how to use it. So then I pulled these laptop decos from Piper Paper Company. I had quite a bit more work to get done, and it was pressing work and frustrating. So I want to mark that. Let's see. Maybe another quarter box. Maybe I'll just put it in the white space. Yeah, I think I'll do that, and I think I'm gonna pull that work script that I had used before. And I don't even think I said that this work script is from Sticker Bloom. So I think I'm gonna pull that again. Pull in some more foil over here. Perfect. Alrighty. And then we went on another walk. We love taking our pups on walks. So let's see, I'm going to pull that same deco sheet from Rose Colored Days, and I'm going to use the paw print this time for our walk. And then I did some more reading. So I pulled these book stack Winstons from Nightingale Paper Co. I figured this green matched really well. I actually read for quite a while. I'm getting close to finishing the current book I'm reading, and it's getting really good. So I'm going to use the Winston for that. And then, let's see, I'm going to get another full box. This dark one. My husband and I had a TV watching marathon. We watched more Dexter, of course, and then Survivor, and then we also had dinner. So I pulled, this is another $1 Wednesday sheet from Bodacious Prints. This one's called Me Time Finally. It's got a foiled TV icon on it. So I think I'm gonna put it, I think I'll put it in the corner. So a foiled TV icon there for binge watching TV. It was a really nice, relaxing night. So I do that, and I thought about using a heart icon too, because it was just a relaxing, fun night. I think I'll leave it like that. All right, so that's the first half of the week. I'm gonna go through and fill that out, and I will be back with the second half. All right, so I've got the second half of the week. Starting on Thursday, I had a massive to-do list, so I'm going to use one of these Fox and Pip Coffee Break Girls. I'm gonna use the smaller size down here. I just was at my computer and focusing on my to-do list. I actually had lunch scheduled with a friend and had to reschedule because I had too much to do. And once I got caught up on my to-do list, which I did, and I was very happy about, I decided to have a YouTube binge. I had gotten very behind on my YouTube watching, so I use a piece of this washi. Maybe I'll use this one. I'll use this washi right here. And then I have my YouTube binge stickers. I don't know if that is straight. Let's see. I'm gonna fit in this little piece here at the bottom. Alright, I've got my YouTube binge stickers. I'm going to use this black one. This is from Piper Paper Company. Alrighty. There we go. Perfect. And then I took my pups on a walk. So I've got these foiled dog icons from Rose Colored Days. Just going to use this little bone right here for our walk. And then I had to do some filming, so I'm going to use, this is technically an Instagram camera, but I'm just going to use it for filming. And then I've got my film script from Piper Paper Company. Alrighty. Then I had, well, my husband and I both, we went to the grocery store to pick out some stuff for dinner. I had not meal planned for the day, but it was nice to go with him and figure out what we wanted for dinner. I don't have a couple grocery shopping stickers, so I'm going to use these grocery shopping girls from Bodacious Prints. Alright, that is for the grocery store. And then we watched some Dexter. So I'm going to use this TV icon from Piper Paper Company right there for that. And then we cooked dinner. We had ended up getting steak, so I've got these Winston's from Nightingale Paper Co. And it looks to me like he's having a steak dinner, so I'm going to use that right there. And then I went to bed relatively early and did some reading. So I'm going to use this quarter box here. And then just going to use the star icon that comes in the kit. And that's for reading before bed. Perfect. And then Friday morning, once again, had to get some work done. So I'm going to do the coffee icon. And then here, I think I'll be able to fit that work script. Yep, that'll be perfect. So we'll put that right there. Alrighty. Then I had some lunch and caught up on Grey's Anatomy. So I'm just going to use this little flag from the kit. And I'll just write in Grey's Anatomy there. And then I did, oh, I forgot I pulled these. I wonder if this one will fit right here. Oh, it will. Let's do that. Perfect. Okay. So after Grey's Anatomy, I did some more reading, getting really close to finishing the book I'm currently reading. It's getting really good. So I'm going to use one of these green books. It's a little bit brighter than the green in the kit, but it's a St. Patrick's Day week, so when else would be appropriate to use a bright green book? So that is for reading. And then I also have my read script from Nightingale Paper Co. This is one of the custom scripts. So I'm going to use that right there. Perfect. And then I had to work, so I'm going to use these rounded quarter boxes to mark working. And then I pulled my leftover notebook. I just put all my leftover stickers in here. And I've got all of these like dollar signs and money bags that are left over. So I'm going to use one of those to mark work. The 2 days that I work. Use this green one right here. Perfect. Alrighty. And then I'm going to put down a strip of washi. I don't normally mark this, but I got this sheet of stickers from Once More with Love. And I just thought it'd be fun to mark. So I'm going to use this because, you know, it was that time of the month and this is how I felt. I'm going to put that right there. I think that's really cute. And then I made chili for dinner, which was really yummy. So I'm going to use, back to my leftovers here, one of these utensil leftovers. These are actually from Pretty on Paper Co. So I'm going to put that right there for making chili. And then my husband and I just had a nice relaxing night at home. I'm going to use the quarter box. We had dinner together and just watched some Dexter and relaxed, and it was really nice. So I'm going to put that there and then put another TV icon from Piper Paper Company right there. All right, so that was Friday. Now, moving on to Saturday, I had a very relaxing morning, significantly more relaxing than I intended it to be. I had planned on leaving early to head to Augusta and see my family, but I did not leave as early as I had planned to. A relaxing morning, so I'm going to put that coffee there. I did some journaling and some planning, so I'm just going to write in journaling there. Eventually, I did leave. I got on the road and drove to Augusta to see my family. So I'm going to use this car icon for driving to Augusta. And then once I got there, I went to my sister's house. She had something that she wanted to ask me. I have these best friend sister sheet from Once More with Love. So I'm going to use this. She asked me to be the officiant in her wedding, which was just so sweet. So I'm going to use this one where they're hugging. They're not having a wedding party, so she wanted me involved. So that was really exciting. So I'm going to use that sheet there. Then we took my mom to dinner. But I think I'm actually going to switch the order I've got these in. Or the order that they actually happened. We took my mom to dinner for her birthday. And then I brought some leftovers to my dad and spent some time with my dad. But I'm going to put that first. It's hanging out with my dad. I use this little heart icon here. Maybe in this quarter box. Yeah, let's do that. And then down here, this will be for dinner with my mom. My parents are divorced. They've been divorced for a very long time, so to balance spending time with them. So that is for dinner. And then I'm going to use this little Happy Winston because it was really nice spending time with the two of them. I'm going to use this medium-sized one. All right, so that was for dinner with my mom and my sister. And then on the way home, I finished my audiobook. I was listening to the Book of Life. I'd hate that those are the same color. I think I'm going to use this flag instead. That is for finishing my book. And then when I got home, my husband and I, of course, watched some more Dexter. So I've got these colorful TVs from Nightingale Paper Co. I'm going to use one of these green ones right down here. And that's for watching Dexter. All right, so that was it on Saturday. On Sunday, it was St. Patrick's Day, which I already have marked with the box. And that morning, I did work, so I'm going to use this rounded quarter box and then grab another one of those dollar bills from my leftovers. Let's see what color will work. Maybe this little neutral color right here. Alrighty. That was for working. We were pretty slow because it's a holiday. And then my father-in-law made us a really yummy lunch. So I was going to use one of these cooking Winstons. I didn't cook, but I ate and enjoyed it. So put that there for our lunch. And then when I got home from work, I took my pups on a walk again. So I'm going to pull the same Rose-Colored Days dog icon sheet. That is foiled. I think I'll do the paw print for our walk. And then it was a really nice day, so I got out my hammock and did some reading in the hammock. So I'm going to do a quarter box here to mark that. And I pulled out these book icons from Nightingale Paper Co. Use this green one here for reading. Perfect. And then I did some laundry. So I'm going to pull again from my leftover book here. I've just got so many things. All right, I did some laundry. So all I have left is laundry, film, and then The Walking Dead. So I think I'm going to work up from the bottom. I kind of want to pull in another full box. Yeah, let's use the yellow. Half box. And got this foiled TV icon from Nicole Alexia Designs on clear paper. I'm going to use, maybe, there we go, for The Walking Dead. So that's boxes for dinner and The Walking Dead. And before that I did filming. So I've got these camera icons from Piper Paper Company. I'm going to use my film script. Alright, so that leaves me with this amount of room. What I was trying to do is decide if I could use one of these laundry lines. They're pretty big and I don't really have enough room for it, so I'm just going to get one of these laundry baskets, and this is a leftover from Piper Paper Company right there, and that is for laundry. Alright, so that is the end of the week. So here is everything. I'm going to go through and fill out everything the second half of the week, and then I will show you the completed spread. So I just love how this looks. Let me give you a little Viv wiggle. Got lots of gold and green and yellow. Really pretty. I think this is a perfect St. Patrick's Day spread. And if you'd like to see close-ups of the spread, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at Georgia Girl Plans. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what kit you use for St. Patrick's Day week. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. I do try and post 2 to 3 videos a week. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.